Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. In this video, I'm going to show you the new topic that's going to influence your trading, which is part change theory. I don't want to be wasting much of time because this topic is practical than theory. So let's go to market chart and see what it's going to be like. Okay, what is a path? We start with definition of a path. So what is a path? A path is a separation between an origin and the destination. If you are looking on a price and you cannot be able to define the destination, then you cannot be able to define the path. Okay, now look at what I mean by path. This is origination. This is destination. Okay, from one valid turning point to another valid turning point. Here is also origination, but we cannot define the destination. You can't say that this is destination. No, we don't know yet where the destination is. Okay, with this few example, you should have understand the meaning. You should have understood the meaning of path. A path is a longer distance separated at origin and destination. By origin and destination, when such distance is long and they break structures, to if you go to other lower time frame, they break structure in between. That is a path. Now, how do we know that a path is changing? If at least one last swing is violated, then the path is changing, and sometimes there will be a fake breakout along the current path. So here we have break of structure here. You notice this in the lower time frame. So this is 15 minutes time frame. So we have break of structure here. Now after that, there is a retest to the structural level and price range about it, and it failed to create a new low because a breakout will lead to another breakout. So it failed to create a new low to the downside, and then instead it created a new high to the upside. Okay, it created a new high. So this is a sign that there is a change of path, because instead of it to create a new low, it rather went and create a new high. And in order to create a new high, it have to violate a previous high. So it is now making higher high. So the path have changed from bearish path to bullish path. Okay. So some people that are selling along this path, it's risky to sell along this path because of what is no longer selling majorly. The sellers are no longer in control. So the trend have changed, or the path have changed. Okay, thank you, and keep coming to WINFXTRADING channel and try to join our VIP signal. because we are definitely expert in this stuff. Trading is about 95% mind and metaphysical. So the 5% technical and other stuff is nothing. So you have to join experts, those that know all this secret, and you make it once. Thank you and bye for now.